Ethiopia has been one of the fastest growing countries in the world, and Addis Ababa, its capital, has been growing with it. There's a problem though. The city is built for cars, not people.
In Addis Ababa, most people don't have private vehicles, but that massive majority of people that don't have cars, the streets are not designed for us.
Worldwide, the transportation industry is responsible for 25% of all greenhouse gas emissions. In Ethiopia alone, the transport sector accounts for 36.9% of country emissions. As the number of cars is expected to triple by 2050, encouraging active mobility options is more important than ever.
Cycling is beneficial because it is environmental friendly, economical, and it has a health benefit. In order to ensure the safety of the cyclist, we are trying to include the cycle lane as part of the road construction at the national level. We are also trying to increase awareness to our community.
In Africa, 1 billion people a day walk and cycle as their main mode of transport. We don't need to encourage anyone to walk and cycle. We're really trying to keep those billion people a day safe and comfortable.
In Ethiopia, it is estimated that 47% of road deaths and 68% of injuries consist of pedestrians and cyclists. With the support of the United Nations Environment Programme, Ethiopia is joining the global movement to make streets safer and more accessible to cyclists, walkers, and other forms of active mobility.
During the pandemic, the Ethiopian government launched a national strategy for walking and cycling with the support of UNEP and other partners.
Across the city on certain Sundays, Mengalasao closed the streets to cars for people to enjoy.
We co-created Mangad Lesao Streets for People movement to reimagine what our streets can look like, to democratize them, and to move in a different way. I mean, streets are public space, even though they don't feel like that every single day of the week, but on Sundays they really do.
We set up women-only bicycle classes because we found out that we only have few women cyclists in our community.
I joined them on their first cohort. Ever since I started, I feel different and uplifted. It feels like I can do anything if I put my mind to it.
The Mengalasao Street Project is just one initiative that promotes safe and accessible active mobility. If scaled across the continent, investment in programs and infrastructure that encourage biking and walking can significantly decrease greenhouse gas emissions and help combat the climate crisis.
We're not having the conversation anymore about why is walking and cycling important in Africa. It's more about how are we going to do it? How are we going to fast track it? How can we integrate it with public transport? So definitely more hopeful than ever before.
Ethiopia's national strategy has established key actions and milestones to make active mobility safer and more accessible to all citizens. These shifts in the transport sector are crucial in tackling the climate crisis. Every fraction of a degree matters.